Before you start, make sure Docker is installed and running on your system. If not, use the links in the description to install Docker on your preferred Linux system. Next, install Mmdebstrap if you haven't already. You can do this with the following command. We will first create a basic Debian image using Mmdebstrap. This image will serve as the foundation for our Docker container. Run the following command to create a basic Debian file system. You can also clean up package caches and logs inside the Tarball before importing. Import the Debian image that you created in the earlier step into Docker using this command. Verify if the Docker image is imported into your Docker environment using this command. You will see an output like this. Finally, run the container with the new image using this command. This command starts a new container from your image and opens an interactive terminal.